change your life. If you want to be success in your life, you must be change your attitude and thought. It will take time to make your identity. It will take time to make your identity, but once you made your identity, you are the great. But you have to work more harder. Dear friends, nothing will happen. Dear friends, nothing will happen if someone jealous on you. Betterment will be happen automatically. Then it shows your talent. Nobody will understand your problem. I don't think about problem. I don't think about problem. I'll stand with my attitude. If you are taken decision in your life, if you are taken a decision in your life, don't turn back. Because nobody makes history who turned back. And if you are fail again and again, if you are fail again and again, then change your plan. Make the perfect plan for success. And if you want to be success in your life, come out from your comfort zone. Because comfort zone is make very laziness. And we are doing mistakes here. We are doing very big mistakes here. We are thinking we have lot of time, but our time is very precious. Those who never success, who are thinking problem in life. So don't think problem much. In our life, problems will become, and you have to make out the solution for that one. And problems are not strong that much. Problems are not strong that much what we are thinking, because we don't have talent to solve the problem. If a problem is very small also, we are thinking it's a very big and very big task. If you want to be successful person in your life, you must face problems and you have to be think properly for solution. Start journey of your success. If I lost, that is the different. But if I agree for loss, it is not possible. Success will be not get until you are able to success. So you have to be make out your talent to be success.